What is mindfulness? Mindfulness can be described as intentional, non-judgmental, moment-to-moment awareness of the here and now. It may be thought of not so much as a technique, but as a way of being. Mindfulness is not considered a relaxation technique. Rather, it is a mental state that reduces susceptibility to future or past threat thoughts that turn on the stress response. The result is that stress can be prevented through conscious living. Mindfulness is the process of learning how to be fully present in all experiences while being less judgmental and reactive. Mindfulness suggests being present in the here and now, attending to and observing whatever unfolds, and remaining focused and relaxed. To understand what these definitions mean, let's begin with a very common example, which you've probably experienced. Consider how you function mentally when you drive your car and you notice that a police officer is driving directly behind you. There are no lights flashing. He's just following you. What happens to your level of present moment awareness? When you drive with this level of alertness, you usually try to be as completely aware of everything that's going on as possible. You're aware of the distance between your car and the one in front of you. You're aware of how fast you drive. You're totally aware of aspects of your driving, such as how soon you'll have to turn on the signal to indicate that you're making a turn, how quickly you shift lanes, and if your lights are on. In essence, you're completely tuned in to your immediate environment. This is mindfulness. By contrast, mindlessness is demonstrated when you drive along a stretch of road, and before you realize it, you've traveled 15 miles and you have no idea about the stretch of road you've just driven. You suddenly catch yourself and marvel that you didn't have an accident because you failed to pay attention. Mindlessness occurs when your thoughts are not in the present moment and when you tune out what is happening. Your mental focus is on times and places other than here and now. You ignore the present moment because your attention is focused elsewhere. Now that you know what mindfulness is and why you want to adopt it as a constant state of being, let's learn how to be mindful. We'll do that in the next video.